What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be making something really cool, really useful. Um, if you guys are like me, a developer, or if you're a content creator, an accountant, anything where when you log into your computer in the morning, you have to open up a bunch of different applications, browser, email, calendar, Excel, whatever it is, that can get kind of annoying to do that every single morning, having to open everything all at once, wait for everything to open, readjust your windows, all that kind of stuff. So today we're going to minimize that into one command in the terminal. So in Python, when you import the OS library, we get access to something called os.system. What this allows us to do is actually run commands from the terminal in a Python program. So we're going to use system arguments, command line arguments, to open up all these applications using os.system and a couple other things. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into it. And there you have it, guys. It was as easy as that. All we did was we created a function to take in command line arguments, and then we created another function to go ahead and actually open those applications that we wanted. And this is just a great, easy way to type one line out every morning to open everything up instantly rather than having to look for each application if it's not in your dock. And also just makes life a little bit easier, even if it saves a couple seconds, it's worth it. Another way to make this even faster is if you go back to one of our first videos where we had our .sh file, our mycommands.sh, you can actually write a function in there called open, where you can just run this program, run the Python 3 program, and have it just open from there. So it's literally typing one letter, one word, and then the names of all the applications. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, make sure to share the video, make sure to leave a comment, make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys had a happy holidays, have a happy new year, and I'll catch you guys in 2021. Peace.